Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing concept called Torpedo Pot. Well, all we do is store our seeds and our plants in this planter. See the small planter? And it grows our food for us with no human intervention. We never water, we never feed. I'm going to show you how to, in just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feet, I don't know, we can grow about 100 of these cuties in 5 feet. Again, we don't water, we don't feed, and I get food for the rest of my life. Look at the quality of the food you're getting. It's my cucumber. And so we have cucumbers, we have squash, yellow squash, tomatoes, and one row of these squash will do about, I don't know, 60, 70 squash. Tomatoes, we do about 300 tomatoes. And these cuties, well, I'm just gonna pick them off and let you see. You judge. Torpedo pot. The world's first self-growing planter, okay? Let's see what it does. So, all I do is throw my seeds in here. And I have fresh food all the time. Really nice, delicious fresh food. I harvest what I need, and I just rest stay on the vine. I don't do anything else. And all of them are nice, healthy, juicy cuties, all right? I don't have spoiled cuties like you do. I don't have a problem with my food like that. At 24 inches, not including what I picked already, this is what I get. You're looking right at me. These cuties, just pick at them. And 24 inches, this is what I'm getting. Some of you could only dream of a crop like this. I've got more. Okay. So in 24 inches, this is my food. And this is just for starters. I've been eating off this planter, and now I get to show it off to you. This are my cucumbers. I never water, I never feed. But in just one 24-inch planter, I get unbelievable food. Your food is not like this. Parched, yours dried out. Mine's is clean, it's healthy. Everything you could want in food is in your torpedo pot. So that's why I'll never go hungry. That's why I'll never starve, because my torpedo pot in 24 inches grows this much and even more food if I allow it to. I love it. So this is what you should expect from your torpedo pot. Unadulterated food, clean and healthy to eat. And that's why we grow food like no other system in the world. Put your seeds in the planter, put your plants in the planter, and voila, you'll have more food than you could ever imagine. It's called torpedo pot. So I'm gonna carry these in, and I'm gonna have me a ball. I'm gonna eat an awful lot of them. So, more of the story is, a lot of your gardens that you're doing, you're putting together, is obsolete. You don't know how to grow food, and you won't admit that the chemicals and everything else you're putting in your food and all these organic supplements that you call health don't correlate to the the biology and the chemistry of the plant. Torpedo pot is a self-growing gardening system. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in the planter, and it grows your food for you. It's designed to grow your food. You can almost not fail at all if you have a torpedo pot, once you put your seeds and plants inside of it. And that's what it is for us. I put my seeds in this planter. I supplement it once a week. We provide the supplements. For now on, we still have them available. You put your seeds and your plants in that planter, supplement once a week, and this is what you get. Look at all my crops. I have no deficiencies. I have no problem with food. You have a problem with food. I need you to come to your senses. Every year you have to do this over and over and over again, only to grow 6 or 7 little tomatoes. Are you kidding me? That is the definition of insanity. Doing the same thing over and over and over again and not getting the results that you want. What you're doing is wrong. It's obsolete. You got it from agriculture. Agriculture uses chemicals. Even if you didn't have any chemicals, your soils, your waters, all that is polluted. Torpedo pot changes all that. This growing system is almost guaranteed to ensure that you have food for the rest of your life. Darryl Radisson, torpedopot.com. I love my torpedo pot. I love my food. I have a lot more to pick. I think I'm going to try to pick it. Is that okay with you guys? It's a lot. And so, man, maybe I need to do a second video for this. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.